So good afternoon everyone. I am Mehak Agrawal with my teammates Abhas and Chana, and today we are going to present a role play on our topic Principles of Management. I am the manager of the company and those two are my employees. Good morning ma'am. Good morning. Good morning. Meet me in my cabin. Ma'am, you come in. Yeah, come in. So, Abhas and Jana, I am not able to achieve the targets and I am not satisfied with the work of our team. I think we are needed to improve and I don't know what we are going to do, but I want to achieve the targets and that's all I want. So, I want you all to improve as much as you can. So, you can do whatever you want to do and I want to achieve the target, that's it. Do you get it? Oh, you get it. Abhas, you remain here. Abhas, I'm saying we have got an opportunity. I think if we are able to cope up with it, then we can grab it very easily. As our company is not getting enough profits and I'm not satisfied with the results, so I think we should grab this opportunity. So I think you can lead this project well. It is a contract of 200 crores and it is very tricky. We are not sure we can get it or not. So I am making you the head of this project. You can lead it and just make sure that we get the deal. Okay? And if we get the deal, don't worry, you will get some commission also. So all the best and send Shahana email.
Chana, do you know me? Madam gave me the 200 crore project. Madam gave me, and Madam I'm calling you. Okay.
Come in, Chana. So, Chana, first of all, I have given a big project of 200 crore to Abhas because I think our company is not making enough profit and I want to achieve the target. So, that's why we are trying to get this deal and I have made head of this project to Abhas. So, I want you to assist him because you are old employee of the company and I think you can assist him better.
I'm that much experience and I'm working for this company for more than 5 years and my boss is there.
See, Chana, Abhas is a boy and I think boys are more capable than girls in leading the projects.
But what's interrelated to business?
See, Chana, I think Abhas is more capable and he's a boy at the end. He has got a lot of responsibilities and more money. So I think he is a perfect candidate to make the head and you can assist him.
And you know, this is a bit of faith.
So guys, I came here just to talk to you all a little bit. Can you give me any idea so that we can improve our company? Any initiative any of you know? Because we are not able to grow at all. So I think I can take ideas of you people also. So you can tell me if you have any idea. Yes.
I think we should improve the product quality and much more attractive to the visitors. Attract them and motivate them.
Do you have a proper plan regarding it?
I can show you tomorrow when you want.
Okay, so let's have a meeting tomorrow morning and Chana, you make the PPT and give the presentation. And if the Chana's idea will be perfect or any other idea you guys have will suit the company, so we will accept that idea and we will give you some commission also if we get a lot of profit from that. Thank you everyone. So you can call can leave. So guys, did you notice which principles of management are violated here and which principles are followed? Can anyone tell me?
Initiative is followed.
Yeah. Bhavya?
Principle of initiative is followed.
Yeah, that's the correct answer. At the end, the principle of initiative was followed when the manager asked for the initiatives of the employees and committed them that the ideas will be implemented. Can anyone else tell me any other principle?
Any other principle which is violated? Equity, yes, correct बोलो फिर. Where equity is violated, correct है.
Because may discriminate between Abhas and Chana. That's why it's violated.
Yeah, that's the correct answer. Principle of equity is violated here when preference was given to boy and not girl. This lead to discrimination on gender and which violates the principle of equity. One principle was also violated. Can anyone tell me? It is the most trickiest one.
बोलो तुम.
Esprit de corps.
As the courts, that principle was also
I.
violated when the manager was herself taking again and again use of I instead of we, which again lead to which reduce the unity among the people and the principle of esprit de corps was violated. Thank you everyone and have a nice day.
Very good. Very nice.